Hi, everybody, and welcome to Vanessa, My Life, My Journey. I don't know where to look. I don't know if to look here or here. The camera thing is here, but it's kind of awkward. I don't know where to look. Anyway, you guys, I'm here today to show you how to make a coronavirus mask for free. You already have stuff at your house where you can make your mask for free and you can be a little stylish with it. So we're just going to play with some things and see what we could do. I have this shirt that is decorative, and you can be more decorative than everybody else by making a mask. So I'm going to take this shirt and I'm going to put it on halter top. I'm going to put it over my neck, and I'm going to take the head part and I'm going to put it like this. And you have the tie in the back. You can just tie this. You can just tie it on its own. I'm just taking it like this and tying it. Or you could take a rubber band, a scrunchie, and tie it. And instantly, because this is sequence, you don't want it too close to your eye. Instantly, I have a decorative, long, flowy mask. And if I want to give this another look and I want to cover my head, of course you need to tuck these. If I want to cover my head, I can do it like that. And that's cute. So this is just a free decorative mask. And I made it out of a little halter top. I think I would probably leave it like this. And so if you are forgetting to carry your mask, leave a couple of t-shirts in your car. That way when you go to the store, you're not having to spend extra money on a mask. You could just take a t-shirt and make it into. So that's number one, an easy little halter top. Let's see if we could do it another way by putting it this way. And you could do it that way if you want to. I prefer the other way, better for me, but you could do it this way too. And you could just tie it in the back. I have a rubber band. Let me know if y'all like the first way or if you like this way. I have a rubber band. You could use a scrunchie. I have a rubber band, and I don't want that sequence close to my eye. But that looks very decorative and stylish, and I got a rubber band in the back. And you don't have to destroy your shirt whenever you're ready to wear this as a shirt. You can wear it as a shirt. So let me know if y'all like one or two. Okay, I might wear this today out and about. So now I have some of these I'm just trying for the first time. I have this cancer-free shirt. So we're going to take this shirt, short sleeve. Let's see what we can do with this. We're going to put this over our head like a regular shirt. We're going to take this, and we got that in the front. And we could take our rubber band. You probably want a scrunchie because this rubber band is kind of small. I'm just going to take it and I just put it on there just like that. And we have another DIY. Another DIY. Let me let you see how that looks in the back. But if you have any shirt that's has sequins on it, Rhinestone Decorations print, your favorite t-shirt that has something on it. So now we're going to take a t-shirt with some sleeves. Our cancer fighting t-shirt. And we're going to take that. And again, you can put it like this, or you could put it like this. It depends on how you want it. And now you're going to take the arms. You're going to take the arms to the back and tie it. Or you take the arms to the back and tie it. And pull that up. And instantly you have a mask and a head cover to and you also promoting whatever you want to promote on it. So that's how it looks in the back. You could also just take a rubber band, bring those two together. You don't have to tie it. Take a rubber band and put it on it. Okay. And that is just a t-shirt with arms, and you can use any print you want. That way you could be sporting whatever you want. Let's try this. This is another shirt with a little decoration on the front. We're going to put this over our head. Like we were putting it on. And we're going to take this, and that way you can wear a different color thing to match your clothes. You're going to take that. And you can tie this. The way I'm doing this, okay, you got it like this. I'm going to take this under, bring that under. And that actually just secures it like that. But you can take it a step further and just roll it under a couple of times. And voila. And you didn't even need a rubber band. And it's tight, you guys. It's tight. That's not coming off. But if you want to take a rubber band, you can take a rubber band. And you got something decorative. If you want to bring it down and pull it over your sleeves or whatever, you can. And the unique thing about this is you're going to have your own look. You're going to have your own colors. Nobody else is going to match you. So that is a tip. And then I have one more. And this is for a longer shirt with sleeves. So you're going to take your long shirt with sleeves and you're going to turn it inside out. If you don't want to turn it inside out, you don't have to. But if you want it to look better, you're going to turn it inside out. And you're just going to take this and you're going to take your sleeves and you're going to tie it behind your head. Okay, and tie it as tight as you want. And you can leave it as loose as you want, and you can always tighten it later. So you're going to have this tied behind your head. You're going to take your, and you can do this with an old shirt that you're going to throw away or a new one. It just depends. And you're going to take that and flip it over. And you can leave this on your head so you can have a head covering. And you're going to fold that down so that way you won't see no seams. So that's why you want to turn it inside out. So it look, and you don't have to You know, you could just make it come to the front like this. And then see the tie is covered up in the back. You don't even see it. And you could tie this as tight as you want to. You can pull it and make it tighter or looser as you want to. And if you want the little flowy look, you can do it like that. Or you could just put that down over the back of your head. And so my head doesn't show at all. So there you have it, you guys. I might wear this today, and you can go, I can actually go to the 25-cent store, get different shirts that are different colors, and that way I could have something decorative every day. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave lots of comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Turn on a notification bell. I can't do it with this thing on. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. And hit always when you turn on the notification bell. And be sure to come back for another video. Thanks for watching. And see, the unique thing about that is when you get ready to eat or something, you can take it down. When you get ready to talk or whatever, you could take it down. And then you could just put it right back up. And you're ready to go. Okay, you guys, let me know if you have any other tips to stay safe, stay safe during this pandemic. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.